Hi guys, the Christmas is very near. We have a few days left for celebrating Christmas. What does Christmas mean to the young people? And it's a very, a question that very often comes to my mind. For them, it must be a time to meet their friends, exchange greetings, maybe to say hi and hello to their friends. Does that really mean that we are celebrating Christmas? Yeah, Christmas has a little deeper meaning than what a usual young person think of Christmas. The Bible says the message of love and salvation was hidden for years, and it was revealed through the birth of Jesus Christ. This is the real mystery that is revealed to us. Birth of Christ is the real message that is revealed. What actually the message is? In short, love yourself, love God, and love your neighbor as yourself. I put it in these three words: love God, love self, love others. If we love others, we shall not offend other people. We shall not offend the feelings of anyone. Rather, it will be a self-reformation to suit to the message that is revealed to us through Jesus Christ. I remember a story very long years ago. I heard it from one of my senior priests. One day a king went on a long journey without wearing his chapel. After returning, he was so upset, so tired. The first thing he did was to call the ministers, and he told them, I want to give an order to the entire country that all the roads in the country must be put leather. Leather must be on all the roads. It should not hurt me or my people. All ministers were wonderstruck, and it is an order of the king. What shall I do with this? It's going to cost life of many animals and so much of money along with it. But how will this put it to the king? It's an order from the king. Then there was an attendant of the king waiting there nearby. He was wonderstruck by this, and he was a very naive person. He came forward and he told, my lord, I want something to speak. All ministers got frightened because it is the order of the king and nothing left for anyone to discuss. The man said, my lord, instead of putting leather on all the roads, why don't you yourself make a chapel for yourself? The king was so wondered, looked at the man, and he said, it shall be done. Message of Jesus is something like this. We are trying to change the world. We are trying to change other people. But the message of Jesus is change yourself. Change oneself. If you greet Christmas, which should mean, I love you, I care for you, I am there at the end for you. That is a Christmas today for you. Wish you all a very happy Christmas. Share your love, Share your friendship. Share whatever you can with all those who need. That is the real Christmas waiting for you. Thank you very much.